Hello viewers and welcome to Learn with Your Brains, and today we are going to really learn with our brains. And it's quite simple tutorial we are going to do today, and it's about how to install your Python interpreter on iPhone device. So without wasting my time, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is to go to your App Store and search for this application. Just type in Jupyter Notebook. Boom, there you go. So this is what is going to open on the first page on your App Store. Now we have a Juno Connect, which is $9.14, and you have Notebook Master for Jupyter, which is what actually is also cool. But what you are interested in, Connect Jupyter, a standalone Jupyter notebook. So all you need to do is you just click just beside it to start installing. And the size for this application is so big. It's 554.6 megabyte, which is quite so big. So most of the time you need to connect to when you're installing it, will tell you to connect to a Wi-Fi device, and I'm urging you to just connect to a Wi-Fi device so that you could install it so quickly and so fast, because it's so big and so large. And you see the version now is 1.4. That's fixed some bug issues, name change to new developer tools, and blah 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 and blah blah blah. And congrats to the developer Nicholas. Well, I'm not a Russian or a Greek, so I can't pronounce it well. It's not. And the amazing thing is it has a 4.8 out of 5 rating, which is quite impressive. So you can enjoy the same features you enjoy on your laptop, the same thing on your mobile device. And we are going to use this application to be doing all this Python for absolutely beginners, for beginners to also learn something about Python and how to code in this environment. So Connect is a good application for your mobile device, and I urge you to download it now, then open it, and this is what you are going to see when you open this blank space. So in our next tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a document in this Connect and start writing your first program. So thanks for your time and take care.